Okay, so now that we want to buy our hosting package, right? So first of all, you have to log into this website. In case if you do not have, just click on register. It's just pretty easy. If you watch the previous video, you will know how to create an account. So what I have to do is click where it says login. So then it's going to take some few time. Okay, now we want to buy our domain rights. Well, no, we want to this time we want to buy our hosting packages. So we'll go under order new services. Then okay, so you make sure you have funds in your account, right? In your in your bank account. So right now I'm going to order this 1 gig disk space with 20 emails account. Okay, let me just click on order now. Okay, I already have a domain, so let me just tell them. Okay, I'm using. Okay, let me just put the one which I bought in the previous video. .co.zw. Yeah, let's see. Okay, so now what we're going to get 1 gig disk space. Yes, we're going to optimize it. Then 120 emails account hosting 1 to 10 domains. Really, seriously? Okay, free SSL. This one is the important one. So let me just click continue. Yes, it's going to be I'm going to be billed monthly. Yeah, let me just click on continue. Okay, so on this one, right, what you have to do, always says checkout. In case if you want to edit your website, you just go and edit, but let's go to checkout. Okay, right now, so what we have to do, right, we're going to be using pay now for the payment. So we just check whether the information is all correct. If you see in this, it is all correct, right? So we just click where it says complete order. That's where we click. Okay, so this is the invoice, so I have to click where it says pay online with pay now. Yeah, so now it's redirecting us to the pay now website, which we're going to do the payment using our EcoCash or our bank account. Yeah, okay, now I have to where is it? So I have to put my email address here. Then I'm going to click on next. Then now I'm going to select either your Visa, MasterCard, but if you need advice, please contact me because you might press the wrong button here. So for now, I have to press where it says EcoCash. Then I have to scroll down, make sure my name is there, Mbonisi, and my phone number. Yes. Then I click where it says make payment. Okay, so I have to put the phone number which have my 2149. Okay, so 78. Oh, okay. So 85052149. So I'm doing. Then click on confirm payment as I check on my mobile phone for the message to come. As you can see, it says I should do the payment of 2,430. Then I confirmed. As you can see, I've done the payment. Yeah. So let's just wait for them to confirm that the amount have reached their side. So I'm going to pause and play. Okay, waiting. So now it redirects us to the website. As I can see, this website it fails to redirect, maybe just because of my network. So I have to go back to the client zone.websim. Then I have to click enter on this address. Okay, so now what I have to do, right, I'm going to go where it says my services. So as you can see under my services, right, we're pending one, so we're just waiting for them to confirm it, right? As you can see, this web hosting, this WebZim brands web hosting is waiting for this IT team to confirm it. Yeah. So I'm going to wait until they confirm, then I'm going to resume the video from that point. So let me just go back to under my services.